The school community in New Lexington, along with our union, has a really great idea about how to use an abandoned school to make sure a rural community like New Lexington is revitalized, not abandoned.
This building means a lot to our community. I mean, this is an old elementary school.
I've been working here for the last 2 years trying to get it ready to be renovated.
There's a lot of memories in this building. There's a lot of emotion in this building. And you know, what a great place to produce a product around workforce development of a community center where students can have wraparound services, after-school programs. Our FFA, our Future Farmers of America program, planted these grapevines. So this was our first harvest.
So this is from the lab. This is from the FAD lab.
That's correct.
This is from the grapes.
Yep. We have taken the things that we do really, really well at New Lexington High School.
Hey, if nobody's gonna eat first, I'm gonna
make sure that we have pathways for kids to jump right into. One of the things we did was we focused on welding.
We're bringing 3rd to 5th graders into the welding shop. We give them just some topical lessons on welding.
And now you made it so you can touch it and you don't burn yourself.
And then the 4th day, we turn the kids loose with a welder.
The kids come in and they're this big, and I'm thinking, what are we doing?
Yeah.
You know, I think high school is. And
Wow.
the kids get so excited. You see how excited they are about
Yeah.
it. It's
Oh my God, they're
this
amazing.
is why we're doing what we're doing.
Yeah.
You know, it's totally worth it.
I played the loom in here, and then I had to weld both of these sides.
Wow.
We're having a lot more high school kids taking welding classes this year. I'm close to 70.
We believe that if we touch workforce development with kids early and often, they will be more prepared as they grow within their school time.
We are putting them into jobs that with no college debt, right out of high school, that they can make an outstanding wage.
They are awesome, awesome kids. And this would not work without them.
You know, early on we were talking about, you know, how can we expand our vocational agriculture program and just explode, you know, this thing for kids. So this is popcorn that's been grown right here.
Wow.
We developed this barn, and what you kind of saw today when you went in there is you saw our high school FFA kids running a fully operational farm. Everything from, you know, feeding the animals, taking care of the animals. Our students go and they do the soil tests. They do the yield tests. The farm's a pretty special place. When we talked about workforce development, and we talked about what that looked like along the, you know, the pre-K through 12 continuum, the union was right, they were involved in that.
In the middle of COVID, they were able to negotiate a contract in 3 days.
From an administrative lens, you know, anytime we're making those types of decisions, I'm including my union president.
It's been an amazing trip, but the through line is the tremendous dedication to this community, to its parents, to its children.
I would like to be able to walk into our businesses in our community and see all of our kids that have been trained and stayed and are staying right here in New Lexington and Perry County and being our local leaders.
And that's the promise and potential of public education.